So one of the most powerful things we can do once we have created a line of best fit, or this equation, is we can use it to approximate a value either between two known values, which we call interpolation, or to predict a value that's outside of what we were already looking at, outside the range of known values, and that is called extrapolation. Okay. In general, the farther removed a value is from the known values, the less confidence you can have in the accuracy. So if I tried to pick something between 2 points I already knew, I'm probably going to be more accurate than if I had to predict where it would be way further away. Okay? A thing that I remember is the interpolation is inside and extrapolation, right? It's extra, it's outside the given values. So we're looking at that table we still had from example 1 that we graphed about Old Faithful. And remember, our line of best fit was y equals 12x plus 35. And this says approximate the duration before a time of 77 minutes. Okay, so 77 minutes is the time, so that's the y value. So I'm going to put 77 where y goes. 77 equals 12x plus 35. Now just do some algebra. So subtract 35 from both sides. I get that 42 equals 12x. Divide both sides by 12, and I get that x equals 3.5. So the approximate duration of an eruption would be 3.5 minutes if the time between eruptions was 77 minutes. Okay? And is this an example of interpolation or extrapolation? Since 77 minutes is between my lowest value and my highest value, this is an example of interpolation. Okay. Predict the time of an eruption time after an eruption lasting 5 minutes. So this time lasting of the eruption, that's our x value. So y equals 12 times 5.0 I put in for x, plus 35. 12 times 5 is 60. So this is 95 minutes. Okay, so if an eruption lasted 5 minutes, the time between eruptions would be about 95 minutes. Okay, and when I look at 5 minutes, 5 minutes is not between my lowest value of 1.9 and my highest value of 4.4. So this is an example of extrapolation because it is outside of the values that I was already given.